Tiri kuenderera mberi nema-directed numbers. Tava lesson 5.1. Our first subtopic is going to be subtracting directed numbers. So when it comes to subtracting directed numbers, our first point is going to be point yedu iri kuti when the signs are different, subtract normally and assign the sign of the bigger number to the answer. Saka chatinofanira kuita take note of panapa ndechekuti, chekutanga, subtraction inoitwa kana masigns ari different. When the signs are different. But masubtractero atinoita, we subtract normally. And muchaona paticha illustrator kuti tiri kurevei kana chiti we subtract normally. And then after subtracting normally, we are going to assign the sign of the bigger number to the answer. Saka kuti tizvinzwisise, ngatitange tanyora ma-generalized statements, then tozoita ma-examples anotibatsira kunzwisisa. So statement ratanyora apo, the general statement, iri kuti iyo plus 2a minus a is equal to a. Chatikuda kutarisa panapa ndechekuti, chekutanga, tiri kuona kuti ma-signs edu ari different. Panapa tine a positive sign, apa tine a negative sign. Because ma-signs edu are different, we are supposed to subtract. Saka patiri kuti subtract normally tiri kuti we are going to ignore the influence of the signs. Then we are going to subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. Rather, we are going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Zvandiri kureva ndezvekuti kana tichiti subtract normally, tichango subtracta masubtractero ataingoita tichiri kuprimary. Tichati namba hombe subtracting namba diki. Ticha subtracta namba diki tichibvisa kubva munamba hombe. So panapa it's plus 2a minus a. We are going to say 2a minus a. Answer chawana the a. Then tawana our answer after subtracting normally. We are going to assign the sign of the bigger number to the answer. Saka tichatarisa kuti which of the two is bigger, 2a na a. Saka 2a muhombe kuna a. Zoreva kuti sign ya 2a ndiyo ichava sign ye answer, of which panapa tina hedu kuinyora, but we can see kuti our answer has a positive sign. And takati kana namba iri yega, kana kuti namba ichitanga kunyorwa in a series of numbers, we tend to ignore the positive sign. Saka our answer apapo, it's positive because 2a ndiyo bigger number and 2a it's positive. Let us take on another example tuone kuti zvinofamba sei. So this is going to be our second generalized statement. Tiri kuti isusu, what if tikati minus 2a plus a, what is going to be our answer? Saka tichaita take note kutanga kuti the signs are different. Since the signs are different, we are supposed to subtract normally. Saka chati 2a minus a, we are going to get a. Then after subtracting normally, we are now going to take the sign of the bigger number. Which of the two is bigger? 2a na a. Of course 2a muhombe kuna a. This means that our answer is going to be a negative. Saka aya ndio masubtractero atinoita ma-directed numbers. Ngatipei ma-examples actual numbers tuone kuti ma-answers edu anobuda sei. So for our example 1, part A, or part 1 rather, tiri kuda kutsvaga 9 minus 4. Saka 9 minus 4 appears to be simple and obvious. pamusana pekuti taisubtracta manumbers akadai kubva grade 0 kana kuti let us say grade 3 patakatanga kuita general arithmetic. Asi manje chatiri kuda kuita panapa, we need to apply maprinciples atadzidza. Tiri kuona isusu kutanga kuti 9 yedu it's positive. Nemhaka itati 9 it's positive, pamusana pekuti hapana a specified sign yakanyorwa. Saka takataura isusu kuti kana pasina sign yakanyorwa, arithmetic sign yakanyorwa, we have to automatically assume kuti that number is positive. Saka 9 yedu it's positive and 4 yedu it's negative. Saka we have different signs. What do we do kana tine different signs? We are going to subtract normally. Saka kusubtracta normally tiri kuti number hombe minus number diki. Saka number hombe pakati pa 9 na 4 ndiani? Ndi 9. So tichati isusu 9 minus 4. But you should take note kuti we are temporarily ignoring effect effect ishi yemasigns aya. Saka takuti isusu 9 minus 4. What do we get from 9 minus 4? We are going to get 5. Saka answer yedu panapa is going to be equal to 5. Asa tisatapedza manje, because tati isusu after subtracting normally tichatarisa kuti number hombe ndeipi, then sign yenumber hombe ndiyo ichava sign yeanswer yedu. Saka pakati pa 9 na 4 number hombe ndi 9, sign ya9 it's a positive sign, kureva kuti our answer is going to be 5. Tapedza our part 1. Ngatitei our part 2 example. Part 2 yedu yakati minus 2 plus 3. What is going to be the answer? Saka panapa we have many methods. Actually, let us say we have 2 methods which we can employ. Method yekutanga, we can rearrange. So many teachers teach kuti kana tichiita directed numbers, we should always rearrange in such a way that tinotanga nema positives. Saka tikada kuita izvozvo manje, let us say this is going to be method number 1. Saka toda kurearrange kuti titange nema positive numbers. We have minus 2 plus 3. Remember, takataura isusu kuti when we are rearranging, we should make sure kuti each number maintains its sign. Saka toda kutanga na 3. Instead of kunyora kuti plus 3, togona kunyora kuti 3 since iri kuwanikwa kwekutanga kwe a series kana kuti kwekutanga kwe an arithmetic sentence. Saka 3 tonyora kwekutanga, then tovatati minus 2. 3 minus 2, of course, we know that it's going to be equal to 1. This is going to be our method number 1. But let us employ zvatadzidza and call it method number 2. So we have minus 2 plus 3 hatisi kuda kuti rearrange. Zvatichaita panapa, we quickly notice kuti masigns edu akasiyana, because 2 is a negative in a negative sign and 3 in a positive sign. Because of that, we are going to subtract normally. Saka tichati number hombe minus number diki. 3 minus 2 ndiani? Ndi 1. Tadaro manje, tovatati toda kutora sign yenumber hombe pakati pa 2 na 3, ndiyo ichava sign yeanswer yedu, of which 3 ihombe kuna 2, kureva kuti the sign of our answer is going to be a positive. Tichange tinani? Tina 1. Saka aya ndio mamanipulatero uye ndio masubtractero atinoita directed numbers. Let us go on to our next point. Our next point iri kuti when different signs meet, they become a negative sign. You have to compare zvatiri kudzidza in this lesson to what we learned patakaita the addition of directed numbers. You are going to see kuti pane a polar opposite effect. Kureva kuti zvataiita patai adda zviri directly opposed kune zvatiri kuita pakusubtracta. Pakuedda we said kuti when signs are the same, kana kuti when the same signs meet they become a positive. Tikati minus na minus zvikasangana zvinova a positive, plus na plus zvikasangana zvinova a positive. Now takuita subtraction and tiri kuti isusu when different signs meet they become a negative sign. What do we mean? Ngatisei general statements panapa. So generally what we mean is, let us say kuti tina a minus plus a, this is going to be the same as g. Saka panapa tiri kuona isusu kuti minus na plus zviri kusangana, different signs. This means kuti panapa tina a minus a. When different signs meet, they become a negative. So this is our first example. Secondly, tikati isusu b plus minus c, this is going to be equal to b minus c, taken from, cannot owed from the fact that plus na minus asangana izvi, they are different signs, so they have to become a negative sign. Let us put in numerical examples. So we are calling this our example number 2. Tiri kuti isusu 2 minus plus 4. Tinoiweka sei? This is going to be equal to, upon noticing kuti minus na plus zviri kusangana uye zvakasiyana, they have to become a negative. Saka 2 minus plus 4 inenge iri 2 minus 4. Then tikada kuiweka manje takuimploya zvatambodzidza kuya patanga tichitaura isusu kuti when we are subtracting, kana kuti what did we say exactly? That when the signs are different and we subtract normally, then we assign the sign of the bigger number to the answer. Saka the signs are different, a positive and a negative. We subtract normally. 4 minus 2 tinowana 2, then the sign of the bigger number ndiyo ichava sign yeanswer, saka it's minus 2 ndo answer yatinenge tawana panapa. Okay, so this is also part 1 of example 2. Let us go to the second part. 3 plus minus 2, this is going to be equal to, since ayari masign akasiyana asangana, it's 3 minus 2, of which even without applying my principles atadzidza, we already know 3 minus 2, our answer is it's 1. Saka this is how we subtract directed numbers. Let us now go over to the multiplication of directed numbers. Our first point here by the multiplying of directed numbers is going to be, tiri kunzi izvo numbers with the same sign give a positive product. Saka tofanga kuziva kuti chinonzi product answer yatinowana kana tamultiplya zvinhu, that is the product. Saka kana manamba atiri kumultiplya aine masigns akafanana, anofanirwa kutipa answer ine a positive sign. Let us give generalized examples kuti tione kuti zviri kufamba sei. So generally, tikati isusu ngatiti plus a times plus a, this is going to be, since this is a plus sign and a plus sign, zvoreva kuti masigns akafanana, answer yedu should be what? Positive. So answer yedu inenge iri plus a squared. We are going to explain kuti nemhaka a times a ichitipa a squared, because maitiro atiri kuita panapa tiri kuzviita sort of separately. Tiri kumultiplya masigns separately, tomultiplya materms edu separately. Saka tati isusu a times a tikawana a squared, ndokuzongotarisa masigns tikaona kuti masigns edu akafanana, kureva kuti our answer should have a positive. That is why we have a positive product. Zvinonyanya make sense kana chidhila nema-negative numbers. And I want to give you a warning. But whenever you see a negative number, you should open your third eye. Because in most cases, negatives anoiswa muma examinations to trick us, kutibata, kutifurira, kutinyengera, kutinyengedza, kuti tikonewe. So whenever you see a negative number, you should be extra cautious, extra careful, because hatina kumajaira negative numbers uye hashandi naturally. They are not part of the natural counting numbers. We only encounter negative numbers on paper, most of us. That is why my negative numbers, kana chidhila nawo, we should be careful, because in dealing with negative numbers, we are more prone to errors. Okay, minus a times minus a. What do you think the answer is? Tika multiply ma terms edu separately, taka ignore ma signs. A times a, tinowana a squared, tichazviita pama laws of indices. Then manje tobva tati, those are same signs, a minus and a minus. Taka a minus multiplying a minus should give us what? A positive. So to reiterate, numbers with the same sign give a positive product. Ngatitema example sema numbers kuti tinyatsozvinzwisisa. Example number 1. Part 1. 6 times 3. Saka patiri kuzoona here kuti ma-positives chete ari kumultiply. Plus 6 iri kumultiply plus 3. Because of that, our answer is going to be a positive. 6 times 3, 6 12, 18. Saka this is going to be our answer. Hatina kuisa plus 18 because of obvious reasons. Okay, the second part, minus 2 multiplying minus 1. Saka 2 times 1 is 2, then minus iri kusangana ne a minus inotipa what? A positive. Saka our answer is going to be only 2. Sando maitirwo azvinoitwa. Alright, let us now look at our different, cannot case number 2. Case number 2 iri kuti numbers with different signs give a negative product. Saka kumusoro kuno kutanga tichiita about numbers with the same sign, kaona kuti they give a positive product. Pazasi panapa takuita numbers with different signs which give us a negative product. Zvinhu izvi might seem confusing now, but you should be rest assured that with more practice and as you become more familiar with this, you might actually invent, cannot design your own neural pathways of understanding this, maybe more simpler to you. So the trick in mathematics is practice, practice, and practice. So just take these principles, apply them, then as you practice more, you are going to develop your own methodology, your own methods, which are more easier and more relatable to you. Okay, let us go back to our mathematics. Generally, tiri kuti isusu a and times minus a, different signs, a positive, nyange yayo isina kunyorwa, and a negative. Tikati a times a and a squared, then since are different signs are multiply, it's a negative. Alright, this will be part 1. Part 2, minus a times a times a squared, a negative multiplying a positive is the answer. So to 1 futhi minus a squared. Let us give numerical examples. This would be our example number 2, part 1. Takati 6 times minus 3. Tinotanga nekumultiply manumbers edu 6 times 3, 6 to 18. Totarisa masigns, a plus iri kumultiply a minus, kureva kuti our answer is a negative product. Tikatora futi our second example, takati minus 2 times 1, we are going to get 2 times 1 to 2, then a negative times a positive is a negative product. I think it's relatively simpler, that's why it seems as if I'm speeding up. Takuda kuenda ku the division of directed numbers. Our first point when it comes to dividing directed numbers is going to be, our first point goes, numbers with the same sign give a positive quotient because of the cancellation effect. Saka we might need to know kuti chii chinombonzi quotient. Mukatarisa patakaintroduce fractions, I think it's lesson 1.0, discuss about the anatomy of a fraction. Saka I'm not going to explain much on it, but ndichangonyora so. Takati a over b is equal to c. We said kuti a ish inonzi iyo dividend, inogona zvakare kunzi numerator, then b inonzi divisor, inogona zvakare kunzi denominator, then c inonzi quotient. Saka the quotient is the answer we get after division. Tirikurevei kana tichiti cancellation effect. Ngatitei general examples muone zvatiri kureva. So generally, plus a over plus a. Of course, togona kuinyora tangoti a over a. This is going to be 1. Saka the same sign, a positive and a positive, zvatipa a positive quotient. Saka iyi togona kuinyora, remember, takangoti a over a is equal to what? To 1. Okay, that is fine. Example 2 ndio inonyatsokubuditsa nhau cancellation effect. Ngatiti tati minus a over minus a. This is going to be equal to chi. Saka a ichaita cancel out a, tosara tina 1, minus yocheka minus tosara tina plus. Saka ndo cancellation effect yacho yekuti kana masigns akafanana anocancelana to become a positive. Let us take on my examples ema numbers. Saka our example number 1, part 1, got 6 over 3. Saka these are both positives. We can just divide 3 into 6 normally like we were doing from grade 3. Saka it's just 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, and 2. Our answer is 2. Tikada this fancy explanation, tikuona kuti it's a positive and a positive, the same sign. So the quotient should be a positive. When it comes to negatives now, ndo patinoona kushanda kwazvo. Minus 4 over minus 2. 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 4 ndi 2, minus yochekana na minus, kusara iri plus, kurota our answer is going to be 2. That is the cancellation effect. Inokonzeresa kuti kana tine the same sign, we always get a positive quotient. Okay, let us go to the next point where we have different signs. Pano pari kunzi numbers with different signs give a negative quotient. So this is the polar opposite of zvataita pamusoro, where we were dealing with numbers with the same sign. But let us see generally kuti zvinomeka sense here. So generally, tiri kuti, let us say that we have plus a over minus a. Our answer is going to be a into a and 1, a into a 1, so it's 1. then masigns edu asiyana, it's a negative. Saka masigns edu akasiyana, we are going to get a negative quotient, a negative answer. So we can actually do a second one, minus b over plus b, kana ngoti minus b over b. It's equal to b cancels out into b, 1. Then since these are different signs, it's a negative 1. Zvaendwa. Saka ndo maitirwo azvinoitwa. Of course, we are going to take on my examples numbers. Example 2, part 1, 6 over minus 3 is equal to. Saka panapa I need to explain something. Most teachers vanoti we should not allow our denominator to be a negative. So the moment you see which your denominator is a negative, quickly transport that negative sign to the numerator. Kureva kuti 6 over minus 3 yakafanana nekuti minus 6 over 3. And do you need proof about kuti yakafanana? There is no need for a proof because the answer we get from 6 dividing minus 3 is the same as the answer we get from minus 6 dividing 3. But kunyora like this, zvataita panapa, it's more neater. Saka try to avoid negative denominators. Kana uine a situation where you have a negative denominator but your numerator is a positive, chingotora negative sign iyoyo unoiisa kunumerator. Saka panapa zvichanetsi, 3 into 3 ndi 1, 3 into 6 ndi 2. Of course, we remain with minus 2. Using the principles we are learning, minus and plus are different signs, so our answer should be a negative. For example, 2 pedu minus 8 over 2. Of course, 2 into 2, 1 into 8 into 4. Then minus 4 is our answer. Employing the principles we have just learned, minus na plus, 8 it's a negative, 2 it's a positive. Since these are different, we are going to get a negative quotient. Basically tatopedza zvingada kuzikanwa pama-directed numbers, but there's something we need to discuss when it comes to negatives. Pane zvandoda kuti muongorore muone zvinogona kutibatsira. Saka our first point here is, if you remember, ndamboshandisa word rokuti polar opposites. Word iri rinongobva the geography of the earth, pakuti we have a north pole and a south pole. These are diametrically opposed to each other. North pole iri kumusoro, south pole iri pazasi. Saka zvinhu zvikanzi they are polar opposites, zvinongoreva kuti zvakatosiyana. There are no areas of simultaneous agreement kana kuti areas of synchronization. Saka ndo zvinoitika pama-negatives nema-positives. Ma-positive numbers nema-negative numbers, they are diametrically opposed to each other. Let us see using a number line. So this is a number line, and we have 0 as our most central number. Then ngatinyorei ma-positive integers 1, 2, and so forth until we get to positive infinity. Then kunoku we have minus 1, minus 2, decreasing until we get to negative infinity. Alright. Tiri panapa manje. Look carefully, you are going to notice kuti kubva pana 0 panapa tichienda kunoku, we experience an increase in magnitude. There is an increase in magnitude. Kana muchirangarira from our physics lessons, magnitude means size. Takashandisa the word magnitude to mean size, but I talk about vectors also. Saka pane an increase in size. Kubva pana 0 chienda pana 1 chienda pana 2, 3, 4 and so forth, tiri ku-increase in size. Whereas kubva pana 0 panapa tichidzira kuenda kunegative infinity pane a decrease in magnitude. Saka this is one of the most fundamental differences between positive numbers and negative numbers. What is the implication of this? Zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti, of course ngatange nekuno kuri obvious. 2 iri greater than 1. Nepamusana pekuti 2 ari more further from 0 than 1 is. And tati from 0 tichi increase in positive integers, we are going to have an increase in magnitude. So 2 is greater than 1. That's obvious. And we can also safely conclude that 3 is greater than 2. Then takuti susu n plus 1 is greater than n. You don't have to stress over n plus 1 is greater than n. N is just it's an element of integers. Saka n is just an integer. This is a generalized statement. Saka ma generalized statements ku O level it's not much of your concern. But if you are to pursue mathematics beyond ordinary level, you should be privy to, you should be able to communicate mathematically in such a way that you formulate generalized statements. That's why ndichinyanyotaura nezvavo, but it's not something to really fuss over. Let us now look at the less obvious. -1, irikantonyora in a different color, it's very important. -1 is greater than -2. -2 is greater than -3, and so forth. Saka zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti -1 ish ndiyo the largest negative integer. 1 mudiki kuna 2 kana tiri kuma positives. Asi -1 muhombe kuna -2 kana tiri kuma negatives. That's how opposed and different, diametrically opposed positive numbers are to negative numbers. So this is the fact I wanted to drive home, because vazhinji vedu we do not understand. Zvichazonyanya kushanda kana takutama inequalities, you are going to see kuti dividing with a negative number has some effect on the inequality sign. It's because of this reason. Kuti kana tiri kuma positives, manamba hombe tinomawana nekutiza kwatinoita 0, 2 ihombe kuna 1, 3 ihombe kuna 2, 10 ihombe kuna 5. But kana tiri kuma negatives, -1 ihombe kuna -100. That is what I wanted to drive home. Iko zvino izvi, let us now slide tiite tinyore ma questions our homework 5.0. So this is going to be our homework number 1, +8 plus 3, number 2 +9 minus +4, number 3 +8 plus -3, number 4 +9 minus -4, number 5 -8 plus +3, then 6 -9 minus +4, 7 -8 plus -3, 8 -9 minus -4, 9 plus 9 times +4, then 10 plus 6 dividing +3, then +9 times -6, that's 11, 12 plus 6 dividing, plus -3, 13 minus 12 times +7, 14 minus 6 dividing +3, 15 minus 2 times -7, 16 minus 6 dividing -3. This is going to be our homework, 16 questions. And I think with this, we are done with directed numbers. If you have any questions, you can ask me and I'll try to clarify to the best of my ability. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned one or two things, thank you for your attendance to this class. Take care.